Hi guys, welcome to my house tour. I'm your girl Meeshee. It's back again with another video. Hope you enjoyed this one. The house tour just directly starts with my sitting room. It's just like a simple sitting room. It has two windows. One is a small one, the other one is a big one. I really loved the tiling of this place. The tiles, the finishing is amazing. It's the white for me, honestly. I loved the lighting fixture, and the beauty of this place, there is a fiber, so as I settle I'll get a fiber to come and just connect for me. And then after the sitting room we go to the kitchen. That's my countertop. It's a little bit small honestly for me to work with, but I'll always hack it out. My storage, the windows are big and the lighting is amazing. The doors are the doors, they're towing. The doors are amazing. And then the balcony is this was just the cell for me, honestly. The balcony, it was just the cell for me. So I was moving in this day, that's why I was doing the house tour, so that I can easily settle down. So after the kitchen we go to the washroom. That's the corridor, and then we go to the washroom. The washroom is quite big, quite big, honestly. And that's me. That's the mirror. Hi. So that's me. I loved everything in this bathroom, and the big window, and the amazing things. I feel like it was just going for my theme. Honestly, I'm a lover and a sucker of white, honestly, so I felt like it was just doing me justice. The tiles were a bit dirty, but I'll work on that with time. So after the bathroom we go to the bedroom. My bedroom was just that bedroom that really fits you perfect. It just deserves a bed and you're done. So that's my wardrobe, and that's my window. Well, I think there is where the bed will be. And then that's a mattress that I had just bought. I was just waiting to put a bed on it, and then we are ready to move in. Honestly, in case you want a mattress, I'll link the number of the lady who did the delivery for me. Hope you enjoy. Hi guys, welcome to this continuation of my house tour. I felt I should add this part here so that at least I make the video a bit longer. I have a few changes here and there, and I think I'll talk about it as time goes by, but for now I think we'll just flow with the vibe that is going. I wanted to open a few items that I got from Kaizen. She does importing, and she has done great things for me, because I wanted spice jars, the small ones. I got it from her. I think we can unbox with you if you won't mind. These are the spice jars that I got from her. This is how it looks like. It came wrapped into this purple wrap. So these are the bamboo spice jar. I know you've seen them, and it's airtight. This is how it looks like. This is the lid. I had ordered these ones from her, so I got 5 pieces. That is one. The second one, this is the second one. It's also airtight. The third one, looks like this. They're all the same sizes. So one is for my Royco, the other one is for salt, the other one is for, I'll just know what to put because I'm not too spicy person. And this other one, this is the fourth one. And this is the fifth one. Yeah, so I'll clean them up and then I'll organize them on my kitchen. I also got another one. I'm currently just having a bad flu, so I hope you won't mind that one. I also got a spice jar. It's this big. This one is for my spaghetti or pasta. This is how it looks like. It came wrapped like this. Like you can see, this is how my package came, and this is how it looks like. It's very big. It's really long. Like I thought like probably it will reach here, but it's really worth it. So these ones I will either do spaghetti or pasta in it, of which I don't like spaghetti that much, so I think I'll do pasta in them so that I can store my pasta here, because I'm so sure I'll do more pasta than spaghetti. And also I got very pretty bowls from Kamkunji. Let me show you, give me a minute. I also got these cute, this is how they look, 5 bowls. One I have used, this one, it's dirty. So these ones are for my cereals and soups. I got this one from Kamkunji. I also got these jars, these ones. I got them in Kamkunji also. These ones I got 4 of them, which one has my ngano flour, the other one has maize flour, and these ones I want to do rice. I have 2 types of rice. I have pishori, and the other one that, if you follow me on IG, you've seen me posting them. It's from this one. I can unwrap it with you. It's from rice, and I wanted for my them for pilau. Okay, let me show you how they come, so that in case you want to order, you can just let me know, then I can connect you how you can get it. This is how it comes. It's 2.5 kgs. It's basmati premium rice. Yeah, and this is the packaging. It looks so nice. Yeah, so one of them, these ones I'll do rice, the pishori rice. The other one I'll do now this other rice, so that you can be able to cook this one for pilau, and the other one is just rice for just white rice or vegetable rice when you want to do such type of rice. Yeah, I wanted to do a Kamkunji haul for you, but I felt like I think next time I'll consider doing it. Yeah, so I think I'll end this video here. I want to go right now to pick my pampas grass from Kaizen in town. I don't know if I'll make it to pick it today. If I won't, I'll do it on Thursday or on Friday when I want to go and do my self-care. I want to do my nails. I want to go and do my toenails and just think about what to do with my hair, or we will style it like this for the next 1 week until I figure out what I want to do. Other than that, I think I'll end this video here. I think it's long enough. In case you want to import things with Kaizen, you can check her on IG. I'll link her IG account down below. And in case you want to guess the rice from Rice, I'll also link his IG account, and I'll just put here the IG name that you can check him out. He has nice things. I'll do the rice and then we will cook the rice with you, and then you'll see how beautiful that rice is. Yeah, so until next time, bye bye, see you on my next one.